Ever wonder about Bitcoin's potential as an investment strategy? Well, you're not alone. Bitcoin, the digital currency that has been making waves since its inception in 2009, has seen a tremendous growth in value over the past few years. In fact, it's been a roller coaster ride of epic proportions, with highs that reach the stratosphere and lows that plunge into the deepest ocean trenches. This volatility isn't for the faint of heart. It carries the potential for high rewards, yes, but also significant risks. It's a bit like playing the lottery, but with a technologically advanced twist. However, despite the risks, there are those who see the potential in Bitcoin and have invested heavily. One of these is a company called MicroStrategy. Their investment in Bitcoin is not just a side bet, but a major part of their business strategy. One company that has made a significant investment in Bitcoin is MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy, led by Chairman Michael Saylor, has been accumulating Bitcoin since 2020. The company has taken a bold approach, investing heavily in the cryptocurrency, and it has certainly paid off. MicroStrategy started dipping its toes into the Bitcoin pool by purchasing thousands of Bitcoins. And since then, it hasn't looked back. In the following years, the company continued to increase its Bitcoin holdings. The most recent purchase was an impressive 3,000 Bitcoin, costing a staggering $155.4 million. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. To date, MicroStrategy holds an astounding 193,000 Bitcoin in its reserves. This strategy has brought about immense returns for the company. In fact, its Bitcoin investment has generated almost $5 billion in unrealized gains. To put this into perspective, MicroStrategy, a company with a market cap of around $15 billion and an annual revenue of roughly $500 million, has nearly one-third of its value in Bitcoin. But MicroStrategy has not only been accumulating Bitcoin, it has also been transforming its identity. The company has rebranded itself as the world's first Bitcoin development company. It plans to leverage its software capabilities to develop applications for Bitcoin and contribute to the Bitcoin network. The investment in Bitcoin has been especially fruitful in 2024. The approval of spot exchange-traded funds and the anticipation of the Bitcoin halving have pushed the price of the cryptocurrency to near all-time highs. In just the past month, Bitcoin's value has shot up by almost 50%, crossing the $60,000 mark. So MicroStrategy's journey with Bitcoin is far from over. With no intentions of selling its Bitcoin stash, the company is positioning itself as a Bitcoin-centric firm. As we watch Bitcoin's price climb, it remains to be seen whether Saylor will be tempted to sell or continue his buying spree. But one thing is clear, he has made a bold statement by betting big on Bitcoin. The investment has particularly paid off in 2024, with Bitcoin reaching near all-time highs. So, what's next for MicroStrategy and its Bitcoin investment? Well, the company's foresight into the potential of Bitcoin has resulted in its transformation into a Bitcoin-centered entity. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin journey doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. With an existing stash of over 193,000 Bitcoins, the firm is poised for even more growth as Bitcoin's value continues to soar. This raises an interesting question. Will MicroStrategy continue to buy more Bitcoin, or will it start selling as prices reach new all-time highs? The implications of either scenario are significant. If the company continues to invest, it could further cement its status as a Bitcoin powerhouse. If it sells, it could potentially reap a massive profit. However, one thing is clear. MicroStrategy and its chairman, Michael Saylor, have made a name for themselves by taking a huge gamble on Bitcoin. Regardless of what happens, they have set a precedent for other companies to follow.